Sun is shining in my eyes. Good morning. What a day. Forgot to say that I forgot to pack my toothpaste, so I'm going to get and bother some. Môre.
Môre,
Hoe gaan dit?
dit self.
Look at that.
Sou nou mooi gewees as ons altyd so een aangehad het.
Yeah, yeah. We're going to explore Hogsback a little bit, and let me take you there.
We kicked off our full exploring day in Hogsback by tackling the challenging access road again. Gravel and twists all the way. Rain was forecast, so we headed out early, determined to get back to Never Daunted before the road turned into a slippery mess. Hogsback is this truly mystical village tucked high in South Africa's eastern Cape Amatola Mountains, famous for its swirling mists, ancient indigenous forests, cascading waterfalls, and those three dramatic peaks that looks just like a Hogsback, hence the name. It started as a sun territory. Then English farmers moved in, planting gorgeous gardens that still thrive today. It's a real haven for nature lovers, hikers, artists, and anyone seeking that spiritual, magical vibe. Plus, the biodiversity, like those rare Cape parrots calling through the trees.
Oh.
We rode slowly through the village, winding under this thick canopy of trees, feeling completely immersed in the green. Our first stop was the Edge. Perfect cappuccino in hand, with that incredible garden setting.
Look at that beautiful bike. Potholes, gravel road is next to nothing for this beautiful bike. And we are going into this gift shop. Okay, we're going here to a labyrinth view site. Let's see.
We wandered the famous labyrinth, following its winding paths.
I think there's a great viewpoint there. Bluff trail. Be kind to nature. Yoo! Look at this.
Then stepped out to the stunning cliff viewpoint. The drop is sheer. I got a bit scared standing so close to the edge, heart racing, with a vast valley and mountains stretching out below.
Like I said, there's the labyrinth on this side. This is a restaurant. I need a lekker coffee. It's a lot of dust. Oof.
From there, we rode to a crystal shop and a photo gallery, little gems of the village.
Seems like most places are closed. Okay, they say I must leave my worries here. See what they've got here. This is some okay. Yeah, I bought my children something here that they can hang around their necks, and now there's a garden. I just want to go and check out. It's not. Okay. It's just there's like a gallery, little gallery of photography. Traction control off and see how the bike goes now. And I've got a lot of engine braking on this road, and see how it will perform. There's a lot of potholes in this road. going to stand up a little bit, see how it goes. I'm not sure exactly where's the central Hogsback, but I think it's this area, I think. Look at that horse.
We here at Red Day or something and of Woodlands. Got a little small restaurant and we're going to eat something here. Hogshead Tavern Restaurant. Hello, yellow. Just received my third omelette in 3 days, so I'm getting to be an omelette connoisseur. I had one of the best omelettes I've ever eaten, fluffy, flavorful, pure perfection. After breakfast, the group split up to wander the village freely, while Johan, Dirk and I headed back up and down the pass for another ride. But the weather was thickening fast, clouds rolling in heavy, and I started getting worried. I wanted to beat the rain, so I broke off early to head home alone. Big mistake. I missed the turnoff and got completely lost, while the others made it back safely. I was out there on extremely wet, slippery roads, strong winds whipping around, feeling pretty sorry for myself. Rain pouring, trying to find Never Daunted in the murk. spotted the place, but a massive fallen tree was blocking the road. Luckily, there was just enough space to squeeze the bike past.
The winds are blowing extremely hard, and there was one tree that fell over the road.
I made it home safe, just as the wind really picked up, branches snapping everywhere, lightning crackling close by, and even hail starting to fall. What a wild end to the day.
After quite a cloud burst and a little bit of hail,
We gathered around the braai that night, sharing stories, laughing off all the stress and close calls. Grateful to be dry and together under the Hogsback stars. Thank you Honda Wing George for the Honda Trans Alp 750 and Turkana gear for keeping my belongings safe on the road.